In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ledger in Zoho Books. If you're new to Zoho Books, or even if you've been using it for a while, setting up an organized financial record through ledgers is crucial. So let's dive right into making your accounting more straightforward and efficient. First, we need to navigate to the Accountant module. You can find this module conveniently located in the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're there, click on Chart of Accounts. This hub is where all of your financial accounts are listed, and it's the place where you'll be starting your journey toward creating a brand new ledger. Now, to add a new ledger, look for the plus New Account button. It's roughly in the top corner, and by clicking on it, you begin the initial steps of setting up your new ledger entry. This button is your gateway to adding any new financial details that your business operations require, whether you're tracking expenses, income, or assets. The next step is to fill out some basic information about your new account. Here, you should enter the account name. Make it something descriptive and specific to help you recognize it easily in future overviews. After the name, you'll need to choose the account type that best fits the purpose of this ledger. Your choices typically include categories such as assets, expenses, or income, which will help Zoho Books understand where this ledger falls in your overall financial picture. For a more refined organization, you can provide an account code and a brief description. Both of these optional fields can be extremely helpful for quickly identifying accounts at a glance. Think of the account code like a shorthand reference, and the description as a space for additional details or reminders regarding the account's purpose or scope. In cases where you need to create a sub-account, there's a straightforward way to do it. Simply check the box labeled "This is a sub-account," and a drop-down menu will appear, prompting you to select the parent account. This feature is invaluable for businesses with complex structures, as it helps maintain a clear hierarchy and relationship between your financial records. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied with all the information and you've double-checked for accuracy, it's time to turn all that effort into a tangible part of your accounting system. Simply click Save to officially create your new ledger. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new layer of organization and insight to your financial management in Zoho Books. Remember, a well-maintained ledger is the heartbeat of healthy business finances, ensuring that every transaction is tracked, documented, and easily accessible. With these steps, you're now ready to keep your financial data in perfect order, making bookkeeping less of a chore and more of a streamlined, insightful process. Thanks for tuning in, and happy accounting.